Now, if you're a trader in the Forex or crypto space, then you will understand the importance of AI trading bots. Okay, now what these bots can give you is emotionless trading, 24/7 feedback. They also give you important strategies. They seem to know when to buy and sell the right currencies, producing a higher yield. Now, AI and trading all come together. With AI, you know that ChatGPT is one of the strongest platforms out there at the moment in terms of copywriting and passing some unreal exams at the moment. So what I'm going to be showing you today is ATPBot. Now, this has been hailed as the ChatGPT of trading. Now, before we dive into this video, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. Okay, so like I said, this is ATPBot. What they are is a crypto asset management tailored for investors like you and me. Okay, so they handle funds from $10,000 all the way up to $1 million. Now, I can already hear you say, why would I choose ATPBot? Okay, so what they do is they provide an AI strategy for 24/7 trading. Now, the likes of me and you, we can't be awake 24/7, and you know the volatility of crypto, that you could easily miss an entry while you're sleeping. Because the markets are open 24/7, what this does is it analyzes and stays active for the full 24 hours of a day. Okay, now what they've also got is experienced strategy modeling team. Now their team has over 20 years experience, and what they do is they come up with the strategies for you. They come up with everything that you will need. They manage it. They create new strategies as well, which I'm going to show you in the video later on. Okay, so what ATPBot also has is powerful arithmetic support. What this does is it quickly analyzes the markets using the latest strategies and does this efficiently and way quicker than us humans can even do. Another one they have is time saving and emotion free trading. Now, this is the number one reason why a lot of people lose in the markets, is because they get emotional towards the trade. If they see a loss, they'll close it. If they see a profit, they'll close it way too early. Now, because this bot takes over and it doesn't have emotions, it will stay to the plan. They also have no fun touching, only trade via the API, safe and transparent. What this means is it doesn't touch your funds. It's completely transparent, and in the dashboard you can clearly see exactly what they are doing and using your funds for. So ATP also has a strict risk control, and they have over expected potential returns that the likes of you and me would never be able to see because of everything else I've gone through. And because of this, their strategies are rigorously tested continuously by their 20 years experience strategy team, which means that they're going to be creating a higher profitable situation for you and me. Now, the advantages of other trading methods. Okay, so they're compared to manual trading, private equity institutions, and trading traditional robots. ATP offers a low cost entry, efficient data processing, comprehensive risk control, and a continuously optimized strategy. So as you can see here, they've got a couple of their investment strategies on the screen. They've got their spot strategy, which is set to expire on the 30th of November, and its average annualized return was 157%. They've also got a future strategy with an average annualized return of 238%. And one of the best things I think with this is they have such a good Discord and also Telegram channel as well. So their Discord channel, let me just show you that now quickly. Okay, so as you can see, I'm in their ATPBot official investor Discord channel. You can see loads of different, they've got all of their FAQs here. So anything that you potentially are worried about or nervous, or once you're in the platform and you need an answer, even if I look in the general chat, you can see that the likes of ATP are constantly replying to everyone. And as you can see on here as well, they have 5 officials, currently online 68 people as well. So what I want to do now is I want to dive into the dashboard for you. Okay, so I've logged into my account. You can see here that over the past 3 months, we have made a steady percentage of 2.3, 2.45 and 2.3%. Now, some people may think this is a slow yield, but look at that, 17% expected revenue by the end of the year. Now, one of their good things that I always love, and what I was going through earlier on in the video, is their strategy center. Okay, so obviously the likes of me and you and other beginner or even advanced crypto strategies would never see returns of these. You'd have to analyze the markets for so long. But what they do is they give you for example, the analyst recommendation. So we've got one here. The analyze of the 20-year team that they have has found there's an opportunity for XRP USDT 20x. The analyzed returns would potentially be 545.75%. Now, what you can also do is backtest this data. So once I click on here, so as you can see here with the backtest period, they've done for 12 months. And you can see here the exact trades that they've taken. They've had a profit of 79.89% and a loss of 20%. Now, this is really good to see because I'm never a fan of seeing ones that advertise 100% profit. This is good because you're never going to win in the market 100%. So seeing the transparency of this, and you can also see the deposit, the balance, and the profit as well. You go later down and you can see every trade they have taken, the profit ratio and the trading times. You've got the difficulty strategy, the risk index, adaptability, stability, utilization of funds. Honestly, it's unreal. They've got a 7-star rating on this particular algorithm, and if you click over to the analytics, it will go into every single trade that is taken. So this is such a good analytics preview because you can go back into the strategy and you can go through the different marketplace ones and you can find a strategy that you think will be ideal for yourself. Personally, I like to use the analysts' recommendations because they are the professionals. And then all we have to do is click add an alternative. It will start to load. Once you've clicked on add to an alternative, you then go into the alternative tab and you will find it, and you simply click pay and run. And then all you have to do is click the investment amount that you want to do and then pay and run. So it's nice and simple, and it also gives you a description. So for example, the backtest period of this strategy is 12 months. It is recommended that you run the strategy for a minimum period of 4 months. Remember that these are a long-term investment. This isn't a short-term gain. Okay, now like I mentioned in the video earlier, you do have a Telegram service. Now, I personally think this is something that no other competitor does because you have their little link at the bottom of their website. You click that and you will be personally connected with one of their financial advisors. All you have to do is send a message and it will go to, for example, I've been selected with Carla. You write them a message and then that financial advisor will come back to you and will give you any advice, any questions you need answered. So there we have it. That is ATPBot. Now, personally, I'm currently using this and you saw my profits, and you can also see the market strategies that they're offering. Now, if you've liked this video, please do hit that like button. Comment below your opinion on ATPBot and also what crypto you're looking out for in the future. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, click that bell to be notified of our latest videos. But for now, peace.